This is a real-time math function visualizer built in p5.js. It draws curves for over 30 different functions and actually turns their shape into sound. You are seeing the graph update live. As the x value shifts from left to right, the y value controls a synthesizer tone. Pretty neat. Each one has a name, a math equation, and a label will show on screen. There are polynomial functions, trigonometric weights, exponentials, step functions, even waveform generators. The sketch cycles through them automatically, so every function gets its own moment in the spotlight. In setup, we create a 1920x 1080 canvas, start an oscillator, and load a font. That oscillator makes a sine wave and will change its pitch based on the function's y value. So when the line goes up, the sound climbs higher. When it dips down, the tone falls right with it. The real action lives in raw. We grab the current function from our list, then compute y for the current x. That's the variable t. We map the y into a frequency between 200 and 800 Hz and feed it to the oscillator. Then we turn the mapped coordinates into screen pixels. Using a scale, 1 unit equals 100 pixels. We push each point into a path array and draw them as a glowing blue line. A small circle rides at the front, marking the current position. The UI handles itself separately. The function's name and its equation label fade in and out. An alpha value ticks up or down with a fade direction flag, giving us some smooth crossfades between functions. And the grid is just a set of background lines that give the eye some context. The variable t inches forward by a little step each frame, moving the graph from left to right. When t hits 5, we start a transition. The fade out begins. Once it's fully gone, we reset t back to -5, clear the path, and bump to the next function in the array. Then we fade right back in, and the next function starts painting itself across the screen. Thanks for watching. If you want the code, let me know in the comments.